What is up? Crypto Goblin here. Today's going to be a very quick video. We're just going to be talking about an application and a website you can use to help you track your parcels on Atlas Earth and how much you earn in a day and beyond. I have another video on Atlas Earth free-to-play tips. If you'd like to watch that, click the card above. Now, let's get right into it. The first thing I want to share is the Parcels Atlas Earth Calculator app, which you can get in the Play Store. This app's very simple yet very cool. You can put your parcels in, your boost hours per day, and your passport boost percent to find out how long it takes to make $1 and dollars made per day, your total parcels, as well as your boost tier rate. And that's really about it. Definitely recommend it if you play Atlas Earth to have this app so you can track your earnings. Next, we have atlasearthcalculator.com. This is going to be on desktop, and if you want a lot more detailed information on your earnings and your parcels and just everything you could think of, this is the way to go. I'm not going to be going over every single feature on here. I just wanted to share it, and you can go check it out for yourself. If you'd like me to make a video about that, let me know in the comments. But that's really about it. I just wanted to share those two sources with you so you can track your earnings and see how you're doing in Atlas Earth. Thanks so much for watching. If you like what you see, please click subscribe, like, and drop a comment on the video. And I'll see you next time. Thanks.